Hi guys, welcome back to Kim's class. Today's lesson is the first lesson in a unit talking about places around town. Let's go ahead and look at today's objectives. The first objective says, I know and can pronounce 9 common vocabulary words to describe places around town. The second objective says, I can match photos of those common places around town with the words. Let's go ahead and practice the vocabulary for today. It's important that if these words are new to you, that you actually repeat the words and practice your pronunciation. The first word is bus stop. You say it, bus stop. The next word is library. You say it, library. The next word is post office. You say it, post office. The next word is bank. You say it, bank. Then we have the word park. You say it, park. The next word is hospital. You say it, hospital. Then the word pharmacy. You say it, pharmacy. The next word, restaurant. You say it, restaurant. And the last word is museum. You say it, museum. Now that we've practiced saying these words, let's see if we can match the word with the picture. On your screen, you see 9 photos of places around town. You also see the 9 vocabulary words. You need to match the correct vocabulary word with the correct picture. You should pause the video and write the words next to the pictures. Then you can play the video again to get the correct answers. Pause your video now. Okay, let's see how we did. Number 1, library. Number 2, bus stop. Number 3, pharmacy. Number 4, park. Number 5, hospital. Number 6, museum. Number 7, post office. Number 8, bank. And number 9, restaurant. Now let's practice some listening. You're going to hear me say a sentence. Then I would like you to write what you hear on your paper. Look on your screen. You will see 9 places to write a word. Listen for the word around town that you hear. Then you will write that word on the blank next to the number. For example, I might say, number 1, where is the library? You would write the word library for number 1. Let's go ahead and try the rest of them. Number 2, Where is the museum? Number 3. Where is the hospital? Number 4. Where is the bus stop? Number 5. Where is the bank? Number 6. Where is the post office? Number 7. Where is the restaurant? Number 8. Where is the park? And number 9. Where is the pharmacy? If you need to listen to those questions, you can rewind the video and listen again. Then on your screen, you will see the answers to these 9 questions. Let's go ahead and look at the 9 answers now. So how did you do? I bet you did great. Let's see how great you did and look at today's objectives. Can you pronounce and do you know 9 common vocabulary words to describe places around town? I hope so. Can you match photos of these common places around town with the words? You've had some practice with that too. You also had practice listening to these words and writing them down. So that concludes today's lesson. But before you go, I'd like you to do 4 things for me. Is that all right? The first thing I'd like you to do is press the like button on this video. The second thing I would like you to do is share it. If you have friends or family that would like these videos, you can share it with them. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write a comment in the comment section below. And one more thing. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe. Then every time I post a new video, you will know. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in Kim's class. And thank you for letting me come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I'll see you soon.